In this video I'm going to show you the DJI Osmo Action 6 and I'm going to review it. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the Action 6 looks familiar, but there are a few important improvements. The camera feels extremely solid and premium in the hand. It's compact, lightweight, and built in to survive pretty much any adventure you can throw at it. One of my favorite features is still the dual touchscreen setup. You get a full-color OLED touchscreen on both the front and the back, making it incredibly easy to film yourself by vlogging or creating content. The displays are bright, responsive, and easy to see even outdoors. On the side, you will find the USB-C port and the removable battery. DJI claims up to 4 hours of battery life under ideal conditions, which is seriously impressive for an action camera. Now let's talk about what makes the Action 6 different. The biggest upgrade is the brand new 1.1-inch square sensor. This larger sensor allows the camera to capture more light, resulting in better image quality, improved dynamic range, and significantly better low-light performance. Another huge feature is the variable aperture. This is actually one of the first action cameras ever to offer a variable aperture system. Shooting in darker environments, you can open the aperture and let in more light. When filming in bright sunlight, you can close it down for better control and sharper images. Of course, an action camera is all about video quality. The Osmo Action 6 can record up to 4K at 120 frames per second, and it also supports 8K, which is honestly incredible. The camera also features rock-steady stabilization and horizon steady. This means even when you're walking or running, your footage stays incredibly smooth. Honestly, DJI Stabilization is among the best I've ever tested. Let's talk about storage and audio. Another feature I really appreciate is the built-in storage. The Action 6 comes with 50 GB of internal memory, so even if you forget your SD card, you can still start filming immediately. It also supports direct connection with DJI microphones, making it a great option for YouTubers and content creators. Now let's head outside and see how the camera performs during the day. Colors look vibrant, the image is sharp, and the dynamic range is impressive, and stabilization works extremely well. Whether you're filming travel videos, YouTube content, cycling footage, or simply capturing everyday moments, the image quality looks fantastic. Now it's time for the real challenge, the night test. Let's see how it performs nighttime. This is where the larger sensor really starts to show its advantages. There is noticeably less noise compared to most action cameras, details remain visible, colors stay natural, and the camera handles street lights surprisingly well. Considering this is still a compact action camera, the low-light performance is genuinely impressive. So here's the final verdict. After testing the DJI Osmo Action 6, what do I think? I think DJI has created one of the most complete action cameras currently available. The larger sensor, variable aperture, excellent stabilization, strong battery life, and impressive low-light performance make this an outstanding option for creators. Whether you are a YouTuber, traveler, cyclist, motorcyclist, or simply someone looking for a reliable camera, the Action 6 delivers. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to the AdiTech Club for more tech reviews, tutorials, and creator gear. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next one.